That's it! You're hitting the nail on the head. Spiritual life isn't about you hustling, grinding, or trying to impress God with your own effort. It's about being one-hearted with Him, letting go of your own thoughts, your own righteousness, your own way, and just grabbing hold of what God says, even when it makes zero sense to your eyes. Abraham is the poster child for this. The dude messed up, sold his wife twice, doubted, ran away during famine. He was far from perfect. But what made him the father of faith? He learned to stop trusting himself and started trusting God's word. Period. When you connect your heart to God, that's when His blessings, love, and promises flow. When you disconnect, start relying on your own logic, your own feelings, your own goodness. It's like shutting off the faucet. Righteousness and transformation don't come from you trying harder or keeping the law. They come from faith. Believing that what God says about you is true because of Jesus, not because of you. So, spiritual life is all about humility, admitting you can't do it, and letting God do it in you. It's about accepting His word, letting Him transform you, and relying on His power, not your own. That's the blueprint Abraham laid out for us. That's what it means to be truly spiritual, one-hearted with God. No matter how many times you fall, God corrects, God restores, God justifies. That's the gospel.
Lumapit kayo sa Diyos at lalapit siya sa inyo. Linisin ninyo ang inyong mga kamay, kayong mga makasalanan. At linisin ninyo ang inyong mga puso, kayong mga may dalawang isip. Santiago 4, talata 8, kay JV.
dahil kay Jesus, hindi dahil sa'yo. Kaya ang buhay espiritual ay tungkol sa pagpapakumbaba. Pag-amin na hindi mo kaya at pagpapahintulot sa Diyos na gawin ito sa'yo. Ito ay tungkol sa pagtanggap sa Kaniyang salita, pagpapahintulot sa Kanya na baguhin ka at pagtitiwala sa Kaniyang kapangyarihan, hindi sa sarili mo. Yan ang plano na inilatag ni Abraham para sa atin. Yan ang kahulugan ng tunay na pagiging espiritual, isang puso kasama ng Diyos. Gaano man karaming beses kang bumagsak at Diyos ay nagtutuwid. Ang Diyos ay nagbabalik, ang Diyos ay nagbibigay katuwiran. Yan ang Ebanghelyo.
Paki-share po ang channel para sa kaluwalhatian ng Diyos. Si Jesus ay Hari.